you for tuning in to yet another video. Infamous here. Thank you. I want to thank you guys. So let's talk about my Biltwell grips. These are pretty awesome grips, guys. Honestly, I like them. They're $140, $130 Alumicore Biltwell grips. There's no glue when you're installing these grips. Alright, so you could easily, these are interchangeable. You can change the colors, you can change these onto a different bike. You could do all of that. Most of these grips, some of them, or I think most of them, require gluing. So if you glue the left handle grip, then that's pretty much it. You can't move this into another bike or interchange the color. This one, it actually has a tightening system. It's kind of like a anchor. It's kind of like an anchor. There's a little metal, there's two metal plates in here that once you tighten this down, it expands, it winds up, and it grips into the handlebar. So that's kind of what helps this. It makes it easier for you to move it and interchange it, change the colors. Very nice system. The feeling of this texture right here, it feels really good, and just having this little rubberized on the handlebar, it kind of helps with the vibration. It doesn't vibrate that much anyways, so it's not, I mean, it's not that much of a big deal for vibration. But one thing that I don't like about these grips is, I mean, it's a minor little thing, but it's something that, you know, if there's something bad to say, then that'd probably be the one thing. I just noticed on this side, for some reason, it's coming off the end. I don't know, because I just took it into the service, so I don't know if I just noticed this. So I mean, it's not a big deal. These grips, they look pretty awesome, and they feel nice too. I've had the Kung Fu grips from Biltwell. I've also liked those, but I just want to try something different. The Kung Fu grips from Biltwell, they're all rubberized, and they look pretty cool. They look like on a regular bicycle, on a BMX kind of style. So it's really nice. And I also like the feel of those. They're a little bit more fatter in the middle. Kind of, it gives you a real good grip. It kind of it contours into the inside of your palm. But these are awesome too. I've had the Kuryakin ones on my other bike. So between these and the Kuryakins, I like these a lot better. The Kuryakins, they're, I don't know, I mean, they look good too if you've seen it on my other bike, but honestly I prefer these ones mainly because you could change these, and if you change your handlebars or you change something about your bars, you could reuse these hand grips on that other bike. So there's no issue with of having to buy new grips. You could change these and put them on another bike, or like I said, you could change the colors. So one thing, oh that's right, the one thing I don't like, if there is something for me to say bad about them, is, you hear that? They rattle a little bit. I don't think my other ones rattle this much. It's because it's a different system. On the Kung Fu grips, it didn't have this kind of this attachment, or who knows, maybe I never paid attention to it. But I'll show you right now. When the bike's idling, this is when you kind of hear it. You know, it's not doing it right now. I like the way these look. They're all blacked out, and like I said, these are interchangeable. You can change these grips to many colors if you have a different seat, or if you have a different, kind of like me, if I have a vest or my shoes or whatever. You know, sometimes I have my ostrich boots on, and the color scheme, there's actually a subscriber of mine that was telling me that he was just upset that well, they don't allow you to kind of purchase the color that you want. You would have to purchase the black ones, and then you would have to change and purchase the additional color. The way I kind of looked at it is, you know what, they gave you the free black ones. Let's just say the grips are $140, $150, and they're giving you the black ones for free. That's the kind of way for you to kind of look at it. And yeah, I mean, it'd be nice if they could just sell you the color that you want off the bat. But I don't know, maybe it's just easier for them the packaging and stuff like that for mass producing these grips. I don't think it'd be a big deal for Biltwell to kind of sell you the color that you want instead of having you buy these ones and then have you buy the additional. Yeah, it's more money for them, but I mean, I think they're like $20. I'm not sure how much they cost. I'll leave a little info, little text on the cost of these grips, but that's the way I kind of think of it. They're free, the black ones, and then if you want to put on some brown ones or some red ones, they have those options. So they're interchangeable, and I like that. They're customizable. Like I was saying, the only bad thing about them is they kind of rattle a little bit, but it's a small minor detail. It's only when I don't have my hands on the grips. So sometimes I'll be riding kind of like this with one hand on the handlebar, and I'll be able to kind of hear it slightly. Not a big deal. Sometimes I just have my sound on, and not a big deal. So if you're out there looking at grips and you like these, because you've probably seen my videos and you're wondering, hey, how are those grips? I also get it on my Instagram. I get messages on my Instagram wondering about the grips, and I like them. So can't go wrong with Biltwell. They have a lot of cool products that kind of fit with the whole bike, and they're all interchangeable, different colors, very customizable. If you're on the market, these are nice grips. So thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in to yet another video, and yeah, stay out there. Look at this weather. Look, this is San Jose. So weather's here, it's perfect. Yes, you guys got to get out here and ride, get those miles in, and yeah, stay safe with everything that's going on right now. All right, later.